Hello, folks, and welcome to another. I keep saying the same thing, don't I? But hey, it's me, ChubbyPopChaser. Open up another mystery pack. This one is from Locksmith Comics. This is part of their search for Ashoka. You can get the first appearance of Ahsoka Tano, the variant. Sorry. Anyway, let's check it out. I was going to do the whole spiel, but get right into it. Let me make sure I'm not cutting into anything here. Let's just do it this way. Let's do it this way. So yeah, Locksmith Comics on Instagram. Great people. Great stuff he has all the time. And he was doing the search for the first appearance of Ashoka, the variant. So, how can you say no, right? Because you want to get that variant. So, close it so you don't hurt yourself. So, I went for it. You guys don't know. Pack number 29 is what I went for. My daughter's birthday was born on the 29th, so that's what I went with. The 29th. So, hopefully it brings me some sort of luck. If not, well, you know. If not, it is what it is, right? Yes, everything packed in beautiful Mylar right here. Right? All Mylar. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 books. 4 books. Let's check it out. Book number 1. We got Eternals number 1. Nice. We found it. The tomb of the space gods. And they're not dead. Look to the stars. The gods are coming back. First issue. The start of Jack Kirby's long-awaited cosmic series, The Eternals, number 1. Next book. Boom. What do we get? Peter Porker Spider-Ham, number 1. That's awesome. I do love me some Spider-Ham. He is funny. Hulk Bunny and Captain America. That is awesome. Next, Swamp Thing number 49, and this is the first appearance of Dark Justice League. Justice League's Dark, that is. I think so. Last but not least, boom. The Bitter Roots. Number 8. Purple Rain Edition. Awesome. Once again, guys, here are the 4 books. The Bitter Root. Number 8. Purple Rain Edition. Swamp Thing 49. Peter Porker. Spider-Ham 1. And last but not least, The Eternals, number 1. Awesome stuff. Once again, Locksmith Comics over on Instagram. Beautiful stuff. Go check them out. Link down below. Like, subscribe. Helps me a lot. It'll help you because the more I can come out with, the more you can be entertained with. Till then, ChubbyPopChaser is out.